YouTube? Bro here back with another video, and today we got the POV drive for y'all. Finally back with the hand cam for once, because I don't have the GoPro, and some people like the GoPro and some like the hand cam, so I had to bring one of them with the hand cam for y'all. But we're outside today, and it's a pretty nice day. I mean, it's 50 degrees outside. I've been, chilling. I've been going, I went to the drag strip today just to go see some races. I didn't really record it because last time I did the video, nobody really watched that, so I just didn't bother. I have some footage of it, but no, actual vlog or anything like that. But yeah, we are outside today. I gotta go get some stuff from the store because I'm working overnight shifts. Gotta love it, those overnight shifts, but hey, we get our money's worth, right? I mean, look what we in right now. But yeah, so we're just on the way to go get some food. I have to go to Target or something to get some, because I don't go to Walmart anymore. I don't like Walmarts. Honestly, Walmarts to me are so sketchy that I don't want to go to a Walmart. But I got what I need in this car with security wise, but still I just don't like Walmarts because there's just no reason. I'll go to a Target over a Walmart. Obviously, unless I need something that Target doesn't have, and you just got to go to Walmart. But for the most part, oh my God, look at this guy. Look at his car. This guy broke all the way. Somebody rear-ended and he got hit from the front. That's crazy. Yeah, people just don't know how to drive. Sorry to say. Some people just, I think that person must have been in a line or something, and then they got hit, rear-ended, and then they hit the person in front. That's my best thought of that situation right there. That's a crazy hit. Did y'all see that car? I feel like sometimes when you see cars all banged up, you wonder if was it the car that did the banging up and they don't fix it, or they just, sometimes the insurance didn't cover, so they got to, scoop up money to go fix the car. But I don't know. I'm not sure. We got the GMC outside today. The GMC from Texas. Wow. They're going to Texas 2K. I wanted to go to Texas 2K, guys, but I can't. I got a sold out week when Texas 2K goes on. And I also got college. So I really just can't, unfortunately. I have to work and I got to go to college. You see how I do it? I literally multitask. I still go to school, but I work as well. In evening shift. I could do any shift, honestly. But yeah. This weather's nice though today. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the POV so far. I know we're just gonna listen to that whine. Love it. Love that sound. Got to love it. That's the best thing about these cars. Hellcats or anything with a supercharger. And honestly, you can say supercharger, but if I go to any other car, a supercharger, unless it's an SVT Cobra, then there's no better supercharger than a Hellcat at this point. Because a ZL1 doesn't have a whine like this. A GT500, I owned one, doesn't have a whine like this. You gotta figure out which ones have comparable whine, and the only one I can think of is an old SVT Cobra, or even an old GT500 for 2014 and below. I think those had pretty good superchargers, but they don't really exist anymore. The new GT500s are way too loud. And I think they made the supercharger quieter for the exhaust because they liked loud exhaust in their GT500s, but I feel like the old ones sounded better. But that might be an unpopular opinion, but I don't know. Yeah, that's making people upset about that. But honestly, I ain't too worried about it. Everybody likes what they like, and I just don't. Sorry. The new GT500, I had one. If you guys look at my old videos, you'll see there's a GT500 video. There's an orange, green Charger. Very green. I was actually thinking about getting a lime green Hellcat, but all the people's clothes got thrown on the side of the road. No. What happened? They did not have a good time. Oh my God, this semi, of course, is going to come in that lane. Oh my God. All right, I'm going this way because I know that semi ain't going to go nowhere. No matter how many cars are in this lane, 2 only, that lane is going to take forever just because he has that giant trailer. Right. This what plate? That looks like a dealer plate a little bit. Nah, it's just very short for some reason. Or it's just really close together, that plate. I don't know. But yeah, well, you guys can see it's very cloudy. Oh, come on. Don't let the semi get in front. You hear that whine? I know you hear it. Get in front of the semi. Yeah, that whine. Such a good sound. There's nothing, like I said, nothing else. I mean, people are like, oh, turbos sound good. I don't like the sound of a turbo. I'd rather listen to a supercharger. But, you know, I think the thing is, if you like turbos, you like more European cars, maybe? I could be wrong, but I feel like a lot of European cars are more turbocharged than American. I'm not sure, though. But it looks like we're about to pull up to the Target, so I'm gonna catch you guys when we get back in the car. Guys, so we just finished at Target. Got our stuff we need. Look at that old truck. Got a little old truck. Sounds good. Sounds good. We're gonna go back way, because I'm not gonna go. I don't like going this way back on the highway. We're gonna go this way. I'll take you guys a little back route, a little different way that we barely ever go. Because let's go ahead and see. Oh, that truck sounds good too. Oh, these trucks also. Yeah, that whine, no matter what mode you're in, you could be in normal mode, which is what I'm driving in. Man, it's such a good sound. And it's such a good sound to listen to all day when you're just, should I open the window? I should. Window's open. Y'all hear it? Woo! Oh, it sounds so good. It sounds really good. But we always are safe with the cat. I'm not one of them. I saw a comment one time. Somebody was like, oh, you don't do much. Watching you is boring and stuff. Well, man, people think that everybody who buys a Hellcat is just going to go crazy every moment of their life. No. I bought a Hellcat because I love the car. And I'll get on it when I want to. And I'll also chill when I want to. Like, it's a daily. Not just somebody beating on the car at all times. Like, yeah, I don't know. Buy one and then you can talk, but he probably doesn't own one. That's the one thing that's crazy about haters in the comments. They probably don't own anything close to this. So, you know, you gotta ignore them, because what is the point of even talking to them? But regardless, this thing just sounds insanely good. It is windy a little bit because, I don't know, we're still in the cold months. It's like 52 outside. It's not terrible, but it definitely is a little windy. A little bit, not too much though. Woo! Y'all hear that thing? Hear that thing whine? Oh, I love this car so much. It's such a fun car. I just went to the, let me see what my gas mileage is at. 15.3, it's not bad. I haven't even been beating on it that much. And one more thing, if you beat on your car a bunch, you will eventually have problems with the car, especially daily driving this thing. Like, I don't keep it in track mode at all times, because these cars definitely shift really hard in track. You know, I don't want to mess something up, because I'm trying to keep this as a daily. But if you guys will stay tuned for like maybe 5 years from now when I pay off this car, I will 100% buy a second Hellcat, and I'm going to turn it into a drag racing car that actually goes super fast, and its only purpose is to race. That's it. Not a daily, nothing. I can just go crazy in it, because I won't have to worry about if it breaks. I'll just have to keep it in the garage because of motor or something. But like, this car, this is my daily. This is my OG, you know. I'll have it all the way from the beginning. And when oh my God, y'all heard that? That Corsa Extreme really makes some noise. I love it. I love this thing. But yeah, that's definitely, you know, people hate on these cars, but like, I feel like if you enjoy your car, enjoy your car. I mean, man, whatever you got a V6, enjoy. I ain't one of these people that just like, V6, I hate on them all. I mean, if you are one of those annoying ones that have a super loud exhaust and you got a V6, then it kind of hurts my ears, so I'm not gonna lie, that's why I don't like you. But hey, I guess if you enjoy your car, you know, make it how you want. I really don't judge, because I've gone from all types of cars, all types of walks of life in cars, because I went from Mustang, Charger, Challenger. I never went Camaro because I just never could get inside. I never could like want to live with one. And yeah, I mean, I know they're fast, I know they're good at handling, but I just never did. But who knows? You never know. Maybe one day. But nah, honestly, I want to keep my Mopars. I love Mopars, and my next car will definitely be another one. Might be a Challenger if it's going to be a mainly just drag focused car for straight line speed. I would definitely probably just go Challenger, because lighter a little bit, not much, but it does wheelies and stuff. So I mean, you know, I'll make it super fast, and you guys will get to see that. But right now, we don't know how long that'll take. Might take some years, but yeah, just stay tuned. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.